Hey guys, I'm taking my mask off. We're outside here, and I usually wear them inside the property if I'm around a lot of people. But it's only me here outside, so that's the reason why I took it off. But again, we have our protective gear, masks, hand gloves. I'm not wearing any booties right now because I'm outside the property. But homeowner called yesterday. AC wasn't cooling. Come out this morning, and we found that it had a bad capacitor. And the capacitor is like a booster. It helps the compressor start. It helps the fan motor start. And if the capacitor doesn't work, then nothing outside works. So, and then obviously he doesn't get any cooling inside the house. So we found the capacitor was bad, replaced it, and we have another happy customer here. So the capacitor is a round cylinder that looks like this. It's got some leads on top. One is common, one is fan, and one is for the compressor. And we hook those up, and the fan motor kicks on and the compressor kicks on. So as you can see, you can see it in there. I have one already there. Yeah, we found this one bad, so we replaced it and turned it on here a few minutes ago, and it worked. So I'm just doing this video. Turned it off because it makes a lot of noise. But call us for your AC heating and refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. You can also find us on YouTube. Please subscribe to our videos. It is ABC Austin Service Express on YouTube. And we've got some really good specials right now. Again, because of COVID-19, helping out our customers. He's a senior citizen. He's going to get a senior citizen discount. Again, we're working on a split system for a mobile home. Also, we work on mobile homes, commercial units, mobile homes, anything that, that cools your property, cools your house. Okay, so we're 24/7. We're an essential company. Again, all of our guys are wearing gear, protective gear for not only for ourselves but also for the homeowners. Okay, 512-448-0532, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks, you guys. All right, bye.